Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to customize the ringtone in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option sound and vibration. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option, you can see phone ringtone. This is for the SIM slot 1 and this is for the second SIM. You can see if you want to change the ringtone, then tap on the option phone on the you can select for slot 1 or you can select for slot 2. Okay, so simply here I am going to show you how to change the ringtone here. For this, tap on this one. So these are the inbuilt ringtone. Just I will show you. And after that, tap on OK. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. If you want to customize the ringtone, that means if you want to set a ringtone that you download to your device, tap on the again option. Here you can see the option add ringtone. Tap on this one. Then it will directly go to the mp3 file or the folder where you download the mp3 file, and from here you can easily select the ringtone. Okay, so here I am going to select this one. Okay, so here I select this one. Now go back. Now you can see that and ringtone is added here. Then select this one. So here I select. Now tap on OK. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. Same this way you can change the ringtone for the slot 2 also. So simply in this way you can change the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.